Good afternoon, class 3. How are you all? Hope you all will be doing good in your home. Welcome back, students. So, in the last class, we have completed the exercise of chapter number 18, है ना? Chapter number 18 का exercise हम लोग complete कर लिए हैं. Internal question, everything. Now we are going to start the exercise question of chapter number 19, locating places. Chapter number 19, locating places. In this chapter, we have discussed about sketch, landmark, maps, atlas, symbols, की एवरीथिंग, है ना. मैप क्या होता है, सारी चीज़ों को हमने पढ़ा है. सो वन बाय वन वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट not discuss, I'm going to give you the answers of the internal questions and the exercise one. Okay, all of you take out your pencil, open your book, open page number 88 and write the answers. I'm going to start from the page number 88, the internal question. Everyone listen carefully and write the correct answer. सबका आंसर सेम होना चाहिए जो मैं दे रही हूँ. No one is write the answer with their own convenience. Okay. So students, let's start. Page number 88. Look at the map of India and fill in the blanks with the correct directions. With the help of the direction, you have to fill in the blanks correct answers. Okay, map is given. With the help of this map, you have to write the correct answers. Okay, let's start. First, Tamil Nadu is in the dash of India. So, where is Tamil Nadu? See everyone, it is in south of India. Okay, Tamil Nadu is clearly seen in the south of India. So, write down S-O-U-T-H, south. Second, West Bengal is in the dash of India. West Bengal, कहाँ है West Bengal? देखो सब. It is in the east of India. West Bengal, it is in east of India. It doesn't mean इसका नाम West Bengal है तो ये west में होगा. No, it is in east of India. E-A-S-T, east of India. Third, Gujarat is in the dash of India. So all of you look at the map and see where is Gujarat. It is in west of India. W-E-S-T, west of India. Fourth one, name two states that lie in the north of India. Here you have to write the name of two states which lie in the north of India. So first one is Punjab, P-U-N-J-A-B. In the north so many states are there, but I am writing the two states, only the name of two states, Punjab and Haryana. P-U-N-J-A-B, Punjab. H-A-R-Y-A-N-A, Haryana. Punjab and Haryana. Okay. Now the fifth one. Name two states that lie in the south of India. South में देखो कौन कौन से दो स्टेट हैं. First one is Kerala and B one is Tamil Nadu. So write the spelling of Kerala, K-E-R-A-L-A, K-E-R-A-L-A, Kerala, and B is Tamil Nadu, T-A-M-I-L, Tamil, N-A-D-U, Nadu, Tamil Nadu. Okay. Now the sixth one. Name two states that lie in the west of India. West में देखो कौन कौन से दो स्टेट हैं. First one is the Gujarat, okay, and second one is the Rajasthan. Okay, G-U-J-A-R-A-T, Gujarat, and R-A-J-A-S-T-H-A-N, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay, now seventh one, name two states that lie in the east of India. Two states which lie in the east of India. First one is the West Bengal and second one is the Odisha. So first you have to write Odisha and West Bengal. O-D-I-S-H-A, Odisha. W-E-S-T, West, B-A-N-G-A-L, Bengal, West Bengal. Okay, again I am repeating the answer, students, listen carefully. First one, Tamil Nadu is in the south of India. Second, West Bengal is in the east of India. Third, Gujarat is in the west of India. Fourth, name two states that lie in the north of India, A. Punjab and B. Haryana. Fifth, name two states that lie in the south of India, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Sixth, name two states that lie in the west of India, Gujarat and Rajasthan. Seventh, name two states that lie in the east of India, Odisha and West Bengal. Okay, we have completed chapter number 8, page number 88, internal question. Now we are going to start the exercise of this chapter. So all of you look at page number 89 and complete your exercise portion. Let's start. Exercise A, tick the correct answers. First one, there are dash main directions. There are how many directions? There are 4 directions. Option number C. Second, a rough drawing of a place is called a sketch. Option number B, sketch. It is called a sketch. Third, landmarks are represented on a sketch in the form of A, symbols. In the form of A, symbols. Fourth, a book of map is called A or an atlas. It is called an atlas. ATLAS. Option number B. Okay, students. So we have completed this one again. Again, I am repeating the answers. Check it. There are dash main direction. Option number C, 4 main directions. Second, a rough drawing of a place is called a sketch. Option number B, sketch. Third, landmarks are represented on a sketch in the form of symbols. Option number A. Fourth, a book of map is called an atlas. Option number B, atlas. ठीक है? Sorry. Now B. Circle the odd one. Give reasons for your answers. You have to circle the odd one out of this and you have to give the reasons for your answer. Okay? So I'm not going to give the reason. I'm just dictating it. You have to remember it and write it. Okay? So first one is map, north, west and south. Which one is the odd one? Map is the odd one. Because a map is a book of map is a sketch of a place, है ना? Sketch है place का, लेकिन rest of north, west and south are the directions. Okay? Map is a sketch of any place, but north, west and south are the directions. Second, sketch, map, house and atlas. Sketch, map and atlas are the things which represent the directions or place of any particular area, but house is a place. हाउस क्या है? एक घर है. घर है, हाउस तो घर ही है, बट वो रहने के लिए है. ये इन सब चीज़ों से रिलेट नहीं करता. बट स्केच, मैप एंड एटलस आर द रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर. दे रिप्रेजेंट अ पर्टिकुलर एरिया और प्लेस. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन इज द मैप and second one is the house. We have completed this one also. Okay, students. Now all of you turn the page and open page number 90. Which page number? Page number 90. Okay. So page number 90. We are going to start the fill in the blanks. See, fill in the blanks. ठीक है? First one. The explanation of symbols is called a key. The explanation of symbol is called a key. K-E-Y. Second, a dash is a drawing of neighborhood or city or a country. Map. A map is a drawing of a neighborhood, city or a country. Okay, M-A-P, map. ठीक है? So first one again I am repeating. The explanation of symbols is a key. Second, a map is a drawing of a neighborhood, city or a country. Clear हो गया? ठीक है? Now D, very short answer question. Very short answer question एक ही क्वेश्चन है जो हम लोग बुक में कर सकते हैं. That is a book work. We are not doing this in the copy. Only short answer and long answer you have to do in the copy. But this very short answer you can write in the book itself. So I am giving you the answers. Look at the picture, everyone. Here is a sketch is given. Tanya's house and Sheena's house sketch is given. According to the house, you have to recognize how many number of the things were given, places were given in the sketch, and you have to write the numbers in the given area. ठीक है, बुक में दिया हुआ है, उस स्केच को देखना है केयरफुली. And how many of the following are there, you have to recognize and write the numbers in the given place. So look at the map carefully. ठीक है? So first one, schools. School का किससे डिनोट करते हैं? S से. तो how many schools are there? Only one school is there near Sina's house. So you have to write number 1. B. Parks. How many parks are given? Here green portions are there in a box. So count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parks are there. So you can write 5. Okay. School is 1. Parks are 5. Now we are going to start water. वाटर टावर कितना है यहाँ पे 3 1 2 3 ठीक है कितने वाटर टावर है 3 D houses only 2 houses are there Sheena's house and Tanya's house 2 houses are there temples 3 temples are there 1 2 3 temples are there okay and post office only 1 post office is there okay post office is 1 so student we have completed जो triangle shape पे बना हुआ ना blue color का that is the post office okay we have completed school is 1 park is 5 water tower is 3 houses is 1 temples are 3 and post office is 1 okay student so we have completed the exercise of this chapter also make sure you people must complete your exercise of chapter number 19 okay and we have also completed chapter number 20 so I will give you the exercise of chapter number 20 in the next video class till then complete your work and take care of yourself thank you so much class thank you so much all of you